Today we are going to test one bug fix of the Clodify system that was reported earlier. So this is the bug that was actually the task that we should round the number. We should round the number in the income distribution page. So here it was like this previously. Now we will check if everything is correct. So this is financial reports at income page. Okay, so we are on the financial reports income page. So I added the invoices for the October 2020, so I will check here. This was the new my new invoice. So this was 5 hours 25 minutes. So this is correct. This is the total new invoice. And the hours are correct. So we can close the task.